হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, এখন আমি এইচএস ইংলিশ সাজেশন 2022-এর কিছু প্রশ্ন আমি দিলাম। তোমরা অবশ্যই ফলো করো, যেটা এই বছরের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। প্রথমেই পোয়েমসের ব্রড কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো দিচ্ছি। দ্য পোয়েট্রি অফ আর্থ। 1 নম্বর, জাস্টিফাই দ্য টাইটেল অফ দ্য পোয়েম দ্য পোয়েট্রি অফ আর্থ। খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এটা। 2, হোয়াট আর দ্য ভয়েসেস অফ পোয়েট্রি ইন দ্য পোয়েট্রি অফ আর্থ? হোয়াট রোল ডু দে প্লে ইন এস্টাবলিশিং কন্টিনিউটি অফ পোয়েট্রি ইন নেচার? Number 3, a voice will run. Whose voice is referred to here? How does the voice play the role in nature? Or he takes the lead. Who is he here? When does he take the lead? How does he play the role in nature? Asleep in the valley. 1 number, what attitude of the poet to war, যুদ্ধ, is revealed in the poem Asleep in the Valley? এটা very important. Number 2, the humming insects don't disturb his rest. What does the pronoun his refer to here? How does he take rest? Why don't the insects disturb his rest? Describe the place where he rests. Number 3, they fill the hollow full of light. Who are they? What does the hollow mean? How is the hollow? Describe the hollow. The proposal. Proposal নাটক। 1 number, my dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Who asked this? Why is the person asked to? What is said about his get-up? Why is he dressed in that way? Number 2, say it again, I did not hear it all. Who is the speaker? What did the speaker hear? What is the reaction of the speaker after hearing it? Number 3, it's been my continual desire. Who is the speaker? Whom does the speaker say this? What was his continual desire? How did the speaker react when his continual desire was fulfilled? 4, if you like, I will make you a present of them. Who is the speaker? Who is the person spoken to? What would the speaker make a present of? Why did the speaker say so? 5 number, last, LAST, last. Last year we lent you. Lent মানে ধার দেওয়া। Who is the speaker? Whom and what did the speaker lend? What happened to the speaker as he or she lent? What does the speaker try to establish here? Or অথবা একই অ্যান্সার হবে, although on that account we had to put up our own threshing. Who is the speaker? What is referred to by that account? What makes the speaker say so? Or অথবা what does the speaker try to establish here? আগের কোশ্চেন আর এই প্রশ্নটা প্রায় একই, শুধু 1 মার্কেরগুলো আলাদা হবে, কিন্তু বড়টা একই হবে। 6 নম্বর, ক্যারেক্টার অফ চুবকভ, লোমভ, নাতালিয়া, যে কোনো একটা আসতে পারে। 7, ফরগিভ আস আইভান ভ্যাসিলভিচ, উই ওয়ার অল লিটল হিটেড। হু ইজ দ্য স্পিকার? হু আর রেফার্ড টু বাই আস? হোয়াই ওয়ার দ্য পারসনস রেফার্ড টু এ লিটল হিটেড? হোয়াই ডাজ দ্য স্পিকার আস্ক ফর ফরগিভনেস? 8, she is like a love-sick cat. Who is the speaker? Whom does the word she refer to here? In what context does the speaker say so? How far do you think Is the statement correct? 8. If you like, I will make you a present of them. Who is the speaker? What present is referred to here? Why did the speaker say so? Prose. The eyes have it. Act number. I must have been sitting in a dark corner. Who was I here in this line? Why does the speaker make such a guess? How did the speaker manage to hide the problem? What is revealed at the end of the story? 2. I was unable to tell what the girl looked like. Who was unable to tell about the girl? Who was the girl? When did the speaker say this? Why was the speaker unable to tell what the girl looked like? Number 10. No, I answered quite confidently. Who is the speaker? Which question did the person answer to? What was his answer? What gave the person this confidence? What was the person uneasy about? 4. It was a safe remark. Who is the speaker? Which remark is referred to here? Why is it safe? How does the addressee react? 5. But her next question removed my doubts. Who made this remark and about whom? What were the doubts of the speaker? What was the next question? How did it remove the doubts? 6. Oh, how lucky you are! Who is the speaker? Who is lucky? Why is the person lucky? Or, yes, this is the best time. Who is the speaker? Which time is referred to here? Why is it best time? 3 questions. Act number. I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for. Who is the speaker? And whom did he say so? Why did the person spoken to beg forgiveness from the speaker? What did the speaker do then? 2 number. Why did not the jar agree with the answers of the learned men? Whom did the jar decide to consult again? What was this person famous for? How did the jar visit the person? 3. Here comes someone running. Who is the speaker and who is the person spoken to? Why did the man come running? Describe the physical state of the man. How was the man received? Number 4. Who was the bearded man? What did he swear and why? What did the jar promise to him? 5. Why did the jar go to the hermit? What is the hermit famous for? How did he go there and why? What was the hermit doing when the jar met him? Report writing. Act. Write a report on the celebration of Nirmal Bangla Abhijan by cleaning drive by World এনভায়রনমেন্ট ডে সেলিব্রেশন। সেম অ্যান্সার হবে। এখানে 3টা প্রশ্ন আছে, 3টাই সেম অ্যান্সার হবে। 2. রাইট এ রিপোর্ট অন করোনা ভাইরাস অ্যাওয়ারনেস ক্যাম্প অর্গানাইজড বাই ইউর স্কুল। 3. রাইট এ রিপোর্ট অন সেফ ড্রাইভ সেভ লাইফ অর্গানাইজড বাই ইউর স্কুল। 4. রাইট এ রিপোর্ট অন দ্য সেমিনার COVID-19 awareness organized by your school. Letter writing. Act. Write a letter to the editor of an English newspaper on the spread of coronavirus. 2. Write a letter to the editor about the unhealthy food items sold in and around your school, or uncovered and cut fruits and food. এই যে কাটা ফল বা বাসি খাবার এর উপরেও পড়তে পারে, এটা একই অ্যান্সারই হবে, এটা সেম অ্যান্সার হবে অথবা দিয়ে যেটা আছে। 3. রাইট এ লেটার টু দ্য এডিটর অন দ্য কমিউনাল হারমোনি। 4. রাইট এ লেটার টু দ্য এডিটর অ্যাবাউট দ্য pollution caused by plastic carry bags. 5. Write a letter to the head of your institution for a transfer certificate. এটা ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। 5 নম্বর কোয়েশ্চেন ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। নেক্সট দিন এইচএস এর গ্রামারের সাজেশন দেব, তোমরা অবশ্যই ফলো করবে। আর যদি কোনো কিছু তোমাদের অসুবিধা হয় তোমরা অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে জানাবে। আজ আমি এখানে শেষ করছি। হ্যাভ এ নাইস ডে।